This is a space quiz. You have 10 questions and just 7 seconds to answer each question. Let's start. 1. The planet closest to the Sun: Mars, Jupiter, Mercury, Venus. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. 2. Which of the following planets is a giant planet? Mercury, Uranus, Venus, Earth. Uranus. Uranus belongs to giant planets. It's 14 times more than the mass of the Earth. Which of the following is not a planet? Neptune, Moon, Venus, Jupiter. Moon. The Moon is not a planet. The Moon is a satellite of the Earth. 4. The Sun is the center of the solar system, magic system, celestial system, the universe. The Sun. The Sun is the center of the solar system. The Sun is the red-hot plasma ball. 5. The Sun sets in the south, west, east, north. West. The Sun sets in the west and rises in the east every day. 6. How many planets are there in the solar system? 7, 3, 8, 9. 8. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Pluto hasn't been a solar planet since 2006. 7. Which country was the first to go into space? Japan, Russia, America, China. Russia. On the 12th of April in 1961, Yuri Gagarin, Russian cosmonaut, became the first man in the world history to journey to outer space. 8. Polar Star is in the constellation of the Southern Cross, Pegasus, the Little Dipper, the Big Dipper. The Little Dipper. Polar Star is in the constellation of the Little Dipper. 9. Which scientist proved that all the planets orbit the Sun? Archimedes, Ptolemy, Copernicus, Newton. Copernicus. Nicholas Copernicus was the first to prove that all the planets orbit the Sun. 10. What are shooting stars really? Meteors, asteroids, meteorites, comets. Shooting star. Shooting star is an atmospheric phenomenon that occurs when meteoroid bodies enter the atmosphere of the Earth. Well done! Don't forget to share your results in the comments below.